Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your work nicely at home. Be safe, everyone. My dear students, in the last class, we have discussed how we used to subtract in time. Okay, how we can subtract the numbers when it is given in time. I have also told how we used to take the carry and then we used to convert it into minutes when we are adding it with minute. Okay, now today we are going to do some multiplication work with the same chapter, that is time only. I hope the queries and the problems which you have faced in the last exercise you must have asked to me in the online classes and we have discussed it together. Okay, and I think that we have solved it also. Now today we are going to move on with multiplication. Okay. You can see the slide which I have opened. In that what it is written. It is written when we are converting hours to minute, we used to multiply it by 60. Then minutes to second, then also we used to multiply by 60. But when we used to do the reverse of that, means when we are converting seconds to minute, we used to divide by 60. When we are converting minutes to hours, we used to divide by 60. What we used to understand by this? That when the larger units are converted to the smaller, we always used to multiply. And when the smaller units are converted to larger, we always used to divide. Before starting the multiplication with time, I would like to recall some of the things, okay, which is related with the multiplication. You can see some of the parts are there of multiplication. Multiplicand, multiplier and the product. Still you all used to get confused in these things. Please student try to understand the number, okay, the number which we are multiplying, that is multiplicand. The number by which we multiply the multiplicand, that is multiplier. The answer which we used to get by multiplying multiplicand into multiplier is called product. These are the few facts, these are the few parts of the multiplication that should be in your mind whenever you are doing multiplication. Some of the parts are of addition, some of the parts are of subtraction, some of the parts are of division. It should not be forgotten by you, which I am seeing in the classes that you are forgetting. Okay, so please don't forget that, because these things will help you always. Okay, because questions used to arise from these things. When I used to ask, you don't used to answer. So please go through it, okay, and try to revise the things which is already been done. Okay, it is not like that we are moving to the next chapter, we are moving to the next exercise, so we will forget the previous one. Okay, so that is for that, just for recalling again I have explained these few terms. Okay, now we are going to do some multiplication work. See this slide which I have opened, in this it is written multiplication of time. Two columns has been made, one for one is hour column and second is the minute column. After that we have written the number just below the columns, like 9 I have written in the hour column and 10 I have written in the minute column. I will start multiplying as we used to do the ordinary multiplication. So 6 into 0 when you will do, when any number is multiplied with uh, 0, then we used to get 0 only. Okay, means 1 into 0 you will do, you will get 0. 6 into 0 if you are doing, then also you will get 0. Now 6 into 1 you will do, then you will get 6 here. Okay, 6 here. Now 6 into 9 you have to do. What you have to do? 6 into 9. Now this you can see, this 60 is, we have got 60 minutes here, na? We have got 60 minutes. So that 60 minutes later onwards we will be taken by this hour, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. This we are already knowing. Okay, so it will be converted, this minute will be converted into hour. Okay, later onwards, not now. After that, 9 table you read either 6 times or you read 6 table 9 times. You will get 54. Now 54 plus 1 hour. Here you are not going to add 60 minutes because you are adding 60 minute you are converting now to hour. Okay, so that 1 hour will be added with this 54, okay, 54 hours, and you will get 55 hours, which is written here, you can see. Okay, now we have taken that 60 minutes and we have converted that 60 minutes into 1 hour, and that 1 hour we have added with 54 hours. Okay, so the answer will come 55 hours and 0 minutes. Now you can see in this question what it is being done. Here, second, minute and hour, all the three are present, and we are multiplying it with only one digit number, that is 6. So first arrange it. Okay, upside you write hour, minute and second. Here upside it is not written, it is written with that number. So that also you can do, but I will suggest to write upside. After that, you will start multiplying the numbers. Now 6 into 5 when you will do, or 5 into 6 when you will do, you will get 30. So 0 you write down only and 3 you take carry. Now 6 into 1 will be 6 and plus 3 will be 9. So you write 90 minutes here. So now it is in minute, sorry, 90 seconds here. So now it is in second. So 90 second can be, we subtract 60 means second from this. Yes, we can. Means we can take away 60 second from this 90 second, and that 60 second will be converted into minute, and that will become 1 minute and will be added with the minute here. In the minute it will be added, and here only we will write this 30. Okay, we will write this 30. Okay, because we have just taken, it was 90, so from 90 we have taken 60 seconds. Okay, and that 60 seconds we have converted into minute, and that we have written right now upside in the minute column. Now we have not, right now we have not added, we have just written that number, and 30 which is left after subtracting 90, after subtracting 60 from 90, 30 is left. That 30 second will be written as it is in the second column. After that we will move on, and then again you multiply 6 into 0, you will get 60. Sorry, 6 into 0 will be 0, and then 6 into 1 will be 6. That you will write here. How much you have got? You have got 60 minutes, and again 1 minute was you have taken 60 seconds, and that you have converted into minutes. So 1 minute is already left with us, so that 1 minute will be added, then it will become 61 minutes. So can we take 60 from this 61 minutes? Yes, we can take. So that 60 minutes will be taken, and it will be taken and will be added with the hour. Okay, because we are knowing this, that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So each 61 minutes we are getting, if we are getting 61 minutes, we can subtract 60 minutes from this, and the rest which is left over, that only we will write in the minute column, and the 60 minutes we will take into hour column, and that 60 minute will be converted here into hour. Okay, so you can see only 1 minute I have written here. Okay, because 1 is only left after taking 60 minutes from the 61 minute. Now we have to multiply the last digit. We have to multiply the last numbers. Now 6 into 0 when you will do, again you will get 0 here. Okay, now 6 into 2 will be 12, so you will write 12 here in the hour column, and then 1 hour is left now, which we have taken from the minute. Okay, so that will be added here, and you will get 121 hours. So what the answer you will get at last? The answer you will get 121 hours, 1 minute and 60 seconds. So this much process you have to do. Okay, the exercise which is given in your book, this much process, with this much process you have to go through, and then only the exact correct answer you will get. Again I am explaining, whenever you are getting more than 60, okay, whenever you are getting more than 60, either in second or either in minute, you will convert that to the next one. Okay, it means that if you are getting 63 in second, okay, 63 seconds, so you will subtract 60 from that 63 second, and then you will get only 3 seconds. That 3 second will only be written in the second column, and 60 will be converted in the minute. Okay, and that 60 will become 1 minute there. Now if in the minute it is written 72 you are getting, then that 72 plus 1 will be 73. So we can take 60 minutes from that 72 minutes, okay? And when 60 minutes will be taken from this 72 minutes, we will get 12 minutes left, okay? That 12 minutes will be written in the minutes column, and that 60 will be again converted into hours, and it will become 1 hour, and that will be written in the hour column. After that, you can multiply the hour, whatever you will get, in that you will add that 1 hour. Okay, so it's a simple one. It's just that it will take little bit time, okay, but it's not that hard. It's very easy to do. Okay, I think you all have understood with the examples which I have given, and you will definitely going to complete this exercise without any hurdle. That is all, my dear. I hope you all have understood nicely multiplication, and you will solve all the questions with by yourself. If any queries, problem will be there, you will come with that in the online classes, and I will try to solve all the queries and problems of yours. That is all. Thank you, everyone.